Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Carol Lill and I'm coming to you in live and living color from my office slash college daughter's bedroom. Maybe if you're lucky, I'll strap on those point shoes back there and put on a show for you. But anyways, wanted to share a little bit with you about our entrepreneurship class today. This should not take very long, and if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. Today we're going to go over where you can find the syllabus and that information, a quick overview of our class, as well as some enrichment activities that your child can take advantage of if they would like, and a little bit of information about DECA, and also how you can find out more information related to DECA if you would like to get your child involved or if they have any questions. So to get us started, what we want to get started with real quick is this class is called Entrepreneurship Honors, and this is my contact information. The best way for you to contact me during the day is going to be email. I'm always happy to do a phone call, but especially in this remote setting, email is going to be the best thing. Just ask me to send you a quick message and I can call you at a later date and time. So a little bit about me. I attended Bloomsburg University and I have an undergrad in business administration with a minor in marketing, accounting, and also data sciences. So I then went on to get my master's at Rosemont College in instructional technology. My teaching history is that I've been at East for 24 years, and my first year of teaching was in Lower Merion School District at Harriton High School. As far as DECA goes, we're pretty big here at DECA East, and I really love DECA as well and what it can do for our students. So my history with DECA is I've been an advisor for over 20 years. I've attended the DECA AMPed Leadership Conference in Miami, Florida. I also attended it virtually this summer, and that's a leadership training program. And then I also have been a presenter at the state and also the international competitions several times in a row. They have an advisor training academy there, and I've been a part of the staff of that as well. So a little bit more about me. This is my family. And over the summer and over the past quarantine, we all spent a lot of time together. Our daughter Morgan is a junior at the University of South Carolina. She is a marketing major, and if you have a child that is looking at the University of South Carolina, she is very happy to be the Westchester East South Carolina connection. And then on the right is our son, Gavin. Gavin is a junior here at East High School. So you can feel sorry for him if you would like. Other than that, I want to talk to you a little bit about what's going on with Westchester East DECA. Because your child is in a business class, they can get involved with Westchester East DECA if they would like to do that, but they definitely don't have to do that. So if you would like, you're more than welcome to follow us on any of these different social media platforms. You can take a look at our information at the bottom if you would like to do that. Also, because of the pandemic and all the different things we have going on, it kind of sent us into overdrive to come up with creative solutions on how we can offer a really enriching program to our students this year. So these are some of the 6 different things that we're going to be working with this year, in addition to our normal curriculum of trying to make sure we offer your child a program that is going to enhance their 21st century learning skills. You can find a little bit more out about DECA. If you are a brand new parent, you might want to attend our Zoom on October 7th so we can share some more of those details with you. If your child is interested in becoming a member of DECA, they have received all of this information in class already, so they probably don't have an interest in attending that Zoom session. So back to entrepreneurship a little bit more. You're more than welcome to take a look at this course description of what we have for entrepreneurship. You'll also be able to find this on our syllabus. Overall, in our entrepreneurship class, we want to focus on the importance of entrepreneurs in the U.S. economy as well as the global economy. And then we're going to walk this through the students through what it takes to be an entrepreneur. We follow the Lean Startup method, and their final class project will be developing a business concept pitch, and then we have a live pitch competition with prizes awarded in the spring. We also hopefully will get a chance to get back into school, and when we get back into school, we'll be able to implement the other portion of our curriculum, which is going to be running our school store, and it's called the Viking Vendor. So more information will be coming on that shortly. Other than that, these are our different units of study, which I covered a little bit more. But again, as we said, we focus on the lean startup method, and we've already gotten started. Our unit this week that we're covering is, do you have what it takes to be an entrepreneur? And we're just really trying to open up the students' eyes through different case studies and also different podcast videos, different things like that, and self-analysis if they really have what would be cut out to be an entrepreneur. Other than that, in all of the classes that I ever teach, I like to offer enrichment opportunities. So these are enrichment opportunities that we have for the students in this class this year. You're more than welcome to take a look at them, but two of them that I'm very excited about is the one in the top left corner, Speakers from the Uncommon Foundation. This is a local organization based out of Malvern that works with startup companies and entrepreneurs, and as a part of their startup, they actually have those entrepreneurs have to give back to the community. Last year we had a really cool situation where we had an entrepreneur, Tiffany Yao, visit our entrepreneurship class, and within a matter of months, Tiffany was featured as an entrepreneur in Entrepreneur Magazine, as an entrepreneur to look out for. So they've got some really cool things going on. They're going to offer a contest for our students where if they are selected, they actually can basically go through a high school version of their program. This is outside of class where they would receive guidance on their company idea. The part that I really like about it is that the students will be selected based on the problem that they want to solve. So I think it's an amazing thing that we can offer to our students. I know for sure that we have 3 students that already have started their own social venture or their own for-profit business. So it'll be really cool to see if they want to get involved with that. The other thing that we have more in the springtime is the Westchester University Business Idea Competition. The students are not required to compete in that, but their project that they're doing for class is the exact same requirement for the competition. So I really try to encourage the students to take advantage of it. And the reason why we try to take advantage of it is that our students do really well. In fact, they've offered the high school division the last 4 years, and East High School students have placed in the top 3 all 4 years. We've also taken first place 2 of the 4 years. And just this past week, a junior took first place. Not only did she do awesome and take first place, but the Westchester University competition gives a cash prize. So that junior won a cash prize of $1,500. All in all, these are our different topics that are featured on our syllabus and also that we try to offer to our students. If you have any questions for me, I'm happy to help you out. I'm happy to answer any questions about our class activities, our Zoom sessions, or any of those different things. Just contact me at my email, and if you'd like to set up a phone call, let me know, and I'll be happy to get back in touch with you. So thank you so much for your time this evening, and have a great night.